Classroom. My name is Saurabh Sharma. In this particular video, I am going to discuss what is multitasking and what is multiprocessing and how they are different to each other, right? So when I am talking about the multitasking as the name suggests, multitasking means when there are multiple operations or multiple tasks is being done by the CPU. Suppose there is a one single CPU unit. Suppose there is a single processor in your computer system and it is performing multiple tasks, right? With the help of multiprogramming. So what is multiprogramming? Let me define that. This is your CPU and this is your main memory. This is your suppose CPU, this is your main memory, this is your hard disk or any permanent storage. SSD you can also consider there. So what is the concept of multiprogramming? Although I have already discussed this topic in the earlier videos, but for the sake of better understanding to the multitasking, we can redefine it. So what is meaning of multiprogramming? Multiprogramming says CPU should not become idle for a while also. It's mean CPU must do some task if it is available. If there are some tasks available, CPU cannot say, suppose I am forwarding a process to the CPU that execute this process, and CPU taken that process and executing, and meanwhile that process is asking for input output responses, and it stopped from that execution from the CPU, and CPU is waiting until and unless you are not completed, I am not taking another process. So that should not be done. So in order to remove this thing, in order to avoid this thing, what we do, we have a concept of context switching. For doing the context switching, we forward some processes beforehand in the main memory so that CPU can take the another process if the executing process is asking for some input output operation. Clear? If the process is asking for some other work, some input output operation, CPU can do the context switch, and in the meanwhile it can execute some part of another process and store in the PCB. I will separately discuss this topic, but for the sake of understanding, please be with me that CPU will take the another process and execute some part of it and coming back to its original process. This is what is known as a multiprogramming, because at the same time CPU is utilizing its idle time and executing more than one process. Clear? And the whole concept is known as a multitasking. So multitasking is a kind of a logical extension to the multiprogramming, right? For a general example, you can consider this as a, suppose you are opened your Google Chrome in your Windows system, and at the same time you are making some PPTs. So you are interacting with two files, two applications actually. One is browser and another one is your PPT or PowerPoint sub application, right? So this is an example of a multitasking. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. So this is all about the multitasking. Now come to the multiprocessing. Before 90s, 60s, there used to be a single 1960, not the 1960, 1990s actually. Before the 1990s, we used to have one single unit of CPUs. But nowadays, we have a dual core or many cores. Suppose in the dual core, what it actually has? It has more than one CPU. Suppose I am the CPU. Clear? You are the person who owns me. Definitely are you able to understand me? Suppose the same quality, the same skill which I have, I am giving to you. So definitely it will increase the efficiency of the system. If the same capability of the same chip is also there for doing the same task. So if there are more than one CPU for doing the same task, suppose there are multiple tasks, multiple processes are there, and these processes are stored in a main memory. and we have multiple CPUs also there, and they are interconnected in such a way that they never conflict to each other, and they support. You can understand as a one CPU is dedicated to the online works, all the networks related issues, all the online browser and all the things are dedicated by the CPU 1, and the CPU 2 is used for batch processing. Are you getting my point? So this is where multi-processing, multiple processor are running simultaneously or working collaboratively to give some more efficient result. So this is all about the multitasking and multi-processing. Please do not confuse multitasking with multi-threading. I will discuss that one in a later video. So this is all about this particular video. I hope you have understand this topic. Keep watching, keep learning. Do not forget to give me feedback in the comment section. Thank you.